It's been dubbed the world's most expensive resort, costing $143,000 per night, and it's every bit as luxurious as you'd think. There are many luxurious resorts to choose from around the Philippines' Palawan archipelago, but one stands out as the world's most costly private island resort. Banwa Private Island, located in the Philippines' prized Palawan region, is now accepting reservations. And as the name implies, the resort's mega-wealthy patrons get the entire island to themselves, 15 acres of untouched vacation paradise. At the heart of the design idea for Banwa was a vow to safeguard the wildlife of both the island and surrounding waterways. But before that, hello there! This is Grand Luxury, where you can find all things luxurious. So what are we waiting for? Without further ado, let's all find out what's inside the most expensive island in the world. Island Villas. You'd love to see the beautiful sunlight hit the waves and the clean sand of this lovely island. You would find yourself falling more for this place than you should be, so let's begin with the Island Villas. Through the floor-to-ceiling windows and poolside couches that look out over a white sand beach and sparkling waters beyond, each of the island's villas provides panoramic views of the isolated beauty. The furnishings and facilities inside the villa suit the natural palette that surrounds them, with designs that represent the sea, sand, and jungle. The 15-acre island getaway is accessible via a 2-hour seaplane flight from Manila or a 20-minute ride on the island's own private helicopter from San Vicente. 6 luxury villas with a maximum capacity of 22 guests are available. You get peace, luxury, and beauty in just one place. Recreational Places. Banwa's fee includes all meals and activities among the island's abundant nature and fauna. All guests have access to swimming, diving, and paddleboarding from any part of the island at any time. There's also a 3-par golf course and a tournament-standard tennis court that's unlike anything else in the world. Here, it's obvious that the sun and sea will always give you an appetite, and to that end, there's no shortage of gourmet choices to satisfy you. The Culinary team, led by Nadeja Boacha, formerly head chef and nutritionist to the Qatari royal family, created each meal at Latitude Restaurant, which was designed to be a social hub. You get to enjoy yourself with many activities and have a luxurious feast afterward. So what are you waiting for? Culinary services in Banwa Island. Speaking of food, let's talk more about that, my friend. You'll be thrilled to find out about the lush and delicious food this island can offer. All produce used in meals and drinks is grown at the resort's organic farm, and visitors are encouraged to visit the nearby village of Tumarabang. The resort's organic farm was made to accomplish both food and energy production. At a natural well on the island, Banwa's own exclusive drinking water is bottled. If you're looking for every bit of beautiful nature, Banwa has it for you. They have honey and exotic tastes that will surely get your attention, just like how Banwa caught your eye. Wild honey is collected from the forest to infuse the island's natural flavors into every dish served at Latitude, as well as every signature cocktail served at the Terrace Bar, where sundowners are the ideal way to watch the sun set into the sea. Exclusive Excursions. While all island-bound activities, meals, and drinks are included with the exception of premium wine and alcohol, there are a handful of unique waves available that seem too good to pass up. If you're going in for $100,000, why not go all out? Divers can book one of the resort's 2 yachts for day or overnight trips to the UNESCO-protected Tubbataha Reef area, where they can scuba or snorkel among beautiful species of fish, visit whales, sharks, dolphins, and endangered hawksbill turtles that come to feed along with one of the world's healthiest reefs. Guests can use the resort's private helicopter to explore the stunning El Nido seascape. Richly formed limestone karsts are in crystal-clear lagoons in less than 30 minutes by chopper, producing a lost world sight best seen from above. It's just like seeing Atlantis right before your eyes. The Subterranean River National Park and the Barbican River. Alternatively, visitors can explore the depths of the Subterranean River National Park, which was only recently found. It is home to spectacular rock formations, bat colonies, and hitherto unknown marine animals. Above ground, visitors can choose to kayak on the Amazon-like Barbican River, which snakes through a large tangle of mangroves and is only a short trip away on the resort's dayboat. Thousands of flying foxes alight from their day rests in the early evening to feast on swarms of lightning bugs flashing in the early darkness, turning the river into a spectacular display. Hold on! Please click the subscribe button to get an alarm for more updates. Also, don't forget to leave a like. Given the chance to go to this island, what recreational place would you go to first? What would you give up to go to Banwa Island? Tell us in the comments below. Now, let's get back to the video. Your own private world. Palawan is often regarded as one of the few spots on the planet where you may still experience nature at its most natural state. The marine protected area that Banwa is located within adds to its sought-after exclusivity, and as a result, its marine life and supporting ecology are flourishing. You can expect solitude and tranquility when you visit Banwa. The private island retreat you've always dreamed of is here, where easygoing luxury meets excellent individualized service. The natural splendor of Banwa is all around you. Only those who have been fortunate enough to experience the peace and sense of refuge can properly appreciate it. The island's name was inspired by our strong ties to the local community and our inherent connection to the sea, and the Tagbanwa people's culture and ideas are firmly represented in the general character of Banwa Private Island, the Tubbataha Reef. We've mentioned this one in passing, but we believe that it is best to talk more about this marvel of beauty. In the Sulu Sea, the Philippines' Tubbataha Reef's Natural Park is a protected area. The Tubbataha Reefs National Park was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a unique example of an atoll reef with a high density of marine species, with the North Islet functioning as a breeding site for birds and sea turtles. With a stunning 100-meter wall, large lagoons, and 2 coral islands, the place is a superb example of a pristine coral reef. Tubbataha Reef, widely regarded as one of the top 10 diving sites in the world, is available for day activity, with longer stopovers available for dedicated divers wishing to spend their time and take in some night dives in this rich marine habitat. Water sports and dive trips. Speaking of water, let's talk more about activities in the water. Water sports fans can find many chances in Banwa and its neighborhoods. At any level, there are excellent experiences to be had whether you scuba, snorkel, sail, or swim. The reef near Banwa is abundant with life and will give excellent scuba diving opportunities for divers of all levels. Overnight dive expeditions can be organized for those seeking more adventure, with access to the greatest diving masters in the Philippines to guarantee your visits are both safe and rewarding. Golf, tennis, and wellness. A 9-hole short game golf course is nestled in the center of the island. It's a lot of fun to have a golf competition with your visitors, or it's just as much fun to spend hours practicing your pitches and polishing your putts. In any case, it's difficult to top for pure calm and relaxation. Tennis on Banwa is a once-in-a-lifetime event with a world-class court in a breathtaking environment. Their all-weather, floodlit court is ideal for a coaching session or a mini-tournament with friends and family. Rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul by discovering a better self. A fully equipped gym, massage suite, and Pilates studio are among their spa and wellness amenities. A juice bar is also available for healthy and delicious post-workout treats. Hiking and stargazing. Palawan is a wonderful region for individuals who appreciate exploring rarely seen panoramas on foot. It is known as the Philippines' final ecological frontier. Hiking there is endless, and the resorts may select trails based on their guests' unique interests and fitness levels. It's a huge dream, because many of the species spotted here aren't seen anywhere else on the planet. You are lucky. Palawan is not only known for its breathtaking sunsets, but it is also quickly becoming one of the best places in the world to see the Milky Way. Banwa gives a magical atmosphere to pursue your latest favorite pastime, stargazing, with breathtaking views of the night sky due to such low light pollution. And that's the video. What do you think? Which among the activities mentioned above would you like to do first in Banwa? Let us know in the comments below. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the notification button to get alarmed with our latest content. If you're looking for all things luxurious, then Grand Luxury is what you are looking for.